Hi guys, today I am going to share a very useful product with you all. Before going ahead, I would like to ask you, how many of you do the hair removal thing for yourself? It could be waxing, razor, hair removal cream or anything. And after doing so, do you feel any kind of issues like itching, rashes or anything else? So I have a solution what product to use right after the hair removal to get rid of all the problems that you are facing right now. It is NEUD After Hair Removal Lotion. Go check it out now and give your skin the care that it really needs.